Spohn Associates was founded in 1976. At the time, it was just Jack Spohn in his house, and now we have 38 employees. As a specialty subcontractor, we run about 350 jobs a year, and we specialize in architectural wall panels, ornamental metals, railings, skylights, windows.
Spohn Associates has some really good technology and financial leadership, and they actually had a custom system that they built, and unfortunately they kind of painted themselves in a little bit of a technology corner and needed a more robust system.
Outside the office, we had to remote in via VPN, which could be in times clunky, depending on your connection or how many people were in fact using it. It wasn't conducive to use on a tablet or an iPhone.
All of our guys out in the field are using the mobile app to do their expense receipts. Much easier now that you can just take a picture, put in the information. It just takes a few seconds.
Acumatica puts you at your desk for the most part at home. There's no different from sitting behind your computer at the desk in the office as it is sitting at home on your kitchen table.
Acumatica Construction Edition not only gave them the best-in-class industry-specific tools and cloud, but also allowed their finance and their operational team to really mold it to their business.
With the implementation of our dashboards, that's been a huge help for us and a time saving, having all the information right there on one page. I've built one for me that has every financial KPI that I could think of that I'd want to track.
It's going to make us a lot more efficient because it's one place for everyone in the organization to go to get information.
So one of our main KPIs that we track is on time. And for us, we've learned that that's probably our most important aspect of the job. If we're on time, our project is successful, the customer is happy.
If the color of our dashboard for that particular item is green, we're good. If it starts to turn to yellow, we need to start paying more and more attention to that date and maybe getting more people involved in making phone calls. If it's red, it's all hands on deck as to why it's red and what we need to do about it.
It simplified all of their technology platforms into one unique system that could match their workflow, that could take the financial part of the business as well as the operational project management and even the field operations and put it into a single unified platform.
Acumatica Construction Edition is scalable, customizable, and specific to the construction industry.